I like new technologies, digital, exchanges, travel, contact with others. I want to invent and find solutions for tomorrow, but also sell and convince. I want to engage in business and develop a technical culture. At ESTA, I get to do both. I take part in courses in industrial marketing, digital prospecting, material sciences, in design, manufacturing process, and languages. I'm learning to convince, to manufacture, to build a project. At ESTA, I give meaning to my journey.
There is something more. It's what we've been searching for.
I've become aware that tomorrow's industry must be innovative and sustainable.
Changes in the air. A new wind is blowing.
I've also found a school with a human scale, friends, and a family.
Changes everywhere.
I've realized that a campus has no borders.
Mystery in the whispers everywhere.
At ESTA, I take on challenges, undertake, and find my place to reinvent the world of tomorrow.